We are gonna enjoy this beach day. Kids them find stone. Look at them with the stone. But one thing I realized with the beach, the water pull back. The water go back today. It was like way up here. Now we pull all the way back. What's going on? I can't wait to go in it. I enjoy it. The water cold, you know. This water is very cold. Cold, cold, cold. Guys, in come a kiss my foot. Run, we gone. Guys, the dog just come kiss in my foot. I don't know when love how he want with me. But the dog come to kiss my foot and run away. So I'm gonna get in the water.
So big! Well, I am not touching the bottom. Oh, I took a deep.
and nice, guys. We have a good time in the beach. It's getting late now. It's getting dark, so we're gonna leave the beach. We're gonna go up to the pipe though and rinse off real quick, and then we head home. I'm getting hungry too, so I need to go get some food. Look at the moon, guys. Ooh, beautiful moon up there. You see that, guys? It's beautiful. All right, let's go. Let's go wash off. Ooh.
So there's creatures in the water?
Yeah, Daddy, something coming on. See?
Yeah, recreation.
Huh?
Yeah, recreation.
Yeah.
So, Dad, when people wade the water, does sea animals and dogs and creatures
Beach is nice, guys. Look at the beautiful mountain and the cloud over there. The sun peeking over the mountain. That's where the sun set. So I guess is east to the west. I guess that's the west there. And then the east is that side. East to the west. The water drawn back a whole lot today, guys. Because before we couldn't see the stones out there. See the stones out there in the water? We couldn't see the stones. So the stones them now. And you can see it. You see it? Water used to be way up to the tree trunk up there. But no more. Go wash off my nice sexy body. Ooh.
Oh my God.
Look at them.
Take off Take it off.
Take off the life vest. Is yours those? Those are yours? No, oh, somebody left them. Yeah, those are, yeah.
Yeah, too.
Went fishing. Did you get catch though? Did you get any catch?
Not here. I did earlier on the pier over there, but not right here.
Ah.
Alright, you're done.
Hopefully next time. Yeah, you too.
You wash my hair.
They're washing off.
Take off the shoes. Now wash out the shoes. Take off the shoes. Wash out the shoes. Wash out the shoes.
Now go take a quick wash, guys.
How much weight are these?
You wash out the shoes already?
No.
Yeah, wash out the second shoes.
Wash out your shoes, baby. You want to wash them real quick? Wash it out. Wash it out.
That would have a lot of sand in it.
Alright, put it on. Put it on. Get out all the sun. You don't have to deal with the sun anymore.
Yes, I do. I feel more
Yeah,
sand.
Why you put the water in your shoes and put it in your mouth?
I did it. Come on.
Alright.
Because I do
Alright, just stand up over there and hold it down.
Oh, this looks like a little foot. Look at this stone. I'm going to show you a stone. It looks like a little baby foot. Look at this stone. It looks just like a little baby tiny foot. You see it?
Yeah.
Want to keep it with it?
Yeah. And my daughter.
So guys, the final stone, it looks just like a little baby foot. What do you guys think?
Alright, you're done. Stand up over there.
There's so much things to find on the
Wash out-
seaside
wash out
here.
the
Here,
food.
get it. Take it home and we can paint it.
Just take it down. Wash out the second foot.
Wash my foot. Come, give me a foot. Give me a foot. Give me a foot. Why is it? Give me a foot. Say it two hands in. Come on. One.
get up
Alright,
there.
well, no.
Wait,
Alright,
No,
you
I
go
have
back to
no.
the stand up too. Don't stand up back in the water. Please, not big enough. Don't get trouble. Get in line.
Stop.
That water is dirty, Jenny. That's
Oh.
still there. You're still doing rude things. Excuse, go away. Mommy and Daddy need to rinse off.
I'm touching the water though.
It's getting night, guys, so we need to make haste and get out of here.
What if guys fall? When we're at the field. This baby's foot. Stop!
We foot are still stand up, but we have a jug of water to wash off our foot at the car. So we don't have no problem with that.
The water cold.
No, it's warm.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it actually
good to
have
know.
warm water.
Surprisingly, it's
Yeah,
warmer
it's
than
warm.
at home.
Yeah, it's actually warm.
Your feet, your feet,
You're
Alright, take care.
welcome.
your feet, your feet. No.
Alright, not done.
Both of you stand here. Stand right there.
Uh-uh.
Be good kiddos.
Naughty. Wow, what are you touching your dirty one, bro?
Let me rinse off, yeah? But this is nice. You go in. Where you going again? Alright, let me
I
rinse
didn't go again. I didn't go again.
Go.
Bro, what do you want?
Yeah, guys, let me rinse this here.
Bro!
This water is really warm and nice, guys. Really, it's the first time I go on seaside and actually get warm water. Normally the water cold, but this one is warm. This water is actually warmer than the water in the house.
No cap.
Stop turn up your foot. Stop turn up your foot. You just wash off.
Ooh.
See, horn.
Okay, come on, that's all.
My husband has had a shower.
What?
My husband said this is not a shower, guys. But it feels so good, you just don't want to come out of it.
I don't want to come out.
Ooh.
either.
I feel better in this water than the sea. Ooh,
I don't want to
feels
come
so
out.
good. Ooh,
Oh, you
really
done,
nice.
I don't want to come out.
You're done.
Alright, come now.
You're done.
This water feels better than the water in the house.
Go, go, go.
Come on.
Get out.
Daddy needs to get back to the water, water, the water. Come on. It feels good. Ooh. Don't bother dirty up your foot now.
It burns my eye, though.
It feels good, guys. We're not lying. Ooh. Feel nicer than the...
Oh!
Don't do that. You're going to splash water on yourself. The water feel nicer than when you're at home, guys. We're not lying.
Your problem.
Ask nobody.
That's your problem.
Ooh, the people them don't want to be there, so they don't want to get enough
I'm
water.
sneaking in.
Alright, we need to go.
I'm sneaking
Excuse me,
in.
I'm gonna spit.
They run because they hear about spit. TJ. It's really nice to have this. Really nice to have this water at the seaside, guys, to wash off. It's really nice. Behave. He said you have to study hard. That was a surprise of your life. You get the surprise of your life, man. You have to know how to turn off, you know. It will trick you.
I didn't walk away.
Picking them now and go home, then see the water.
Let's go.
I'm excited about it. Me excited too, if I feel sweet. Alright, we're not going to step on a foot now. We're not going to step like drunk up on hot sun. Go on, take time. But teacher him now. Teacher no. Follow back on daddy. Like when I see the ducklings, them follow back on their parents. So no go on. Watch them. Ooh. Yeah. Then can walk on the hard sun. This is a nice place for fire pit. Really nice. The beach is nice, guys.
Get away from that darn bush. I heard something.
That's a nice little hideout spot right there. You can come and set up and
You just wash off your damn self, man.
guys, look at the moon. Wow, that's a perfect picture right there. Right there's a nice picture. Ooh, it's really nice. So amazing. How many of you love to see the moon the way I love to look at it and see how beautiful and bright it is? So amazing. One thing I noticed though with this seaside is that there's not much seashell. Like, you know, you always go and you always see like shells. It's mostly a lot of stones, but not a lot of shells. There's not much here. And there's not a lot of sea glass either. I haven't seen any sea glass, to be honest. Yeah. Right. This is such a nice tree. We were happy and lucky to get this tree to put our stuff. It have, take up a towel, baby. It have some fruits on it. But I don't know what type of fruit they are.
But you stick my hand.
See, this one dries.
What? You sting your hand? Mom, just pick it up. It sting my hand.
Give me the rock. I want to get this rock for.
How does it sting your hand?
Pick up the towel, baby. I want to take this rock for my doorstop. We're gonna paint it, and draw something on it, and use it as my doorstop. I found it in the sea. It washed up, so we pick it up. Yeah.
Jaden found it, not you.
We said we found it. So we found this rock, so we're gonna be making good use of it. It's heavy enough to stop the door when we open it, because our door tends not to keep open when we open the door. It keeps pushing back and closing. So this is really good, guys. So open the trunk, sweetheart. Lift it up. All right. So we're gonna put this in the trunk over there.
Hold the toys and wash them out.
Can you hold this?
Yeah. Put the toy away from the car. The toy is sunny. Put the washing off the toys before we put them in the car. You hungry? Anytime people go beach, them hungry, you know. Anytime people go beach, they normally get hungry.
Why?
I don't know. It's just a thing.
Can we go there tomorrow?
Alright, guys, I'm washing my foot now.
Can we go to there? Dad, can we go to one? Dad, can we go to one?
Alright.
Yes, I do.
My foot now wash.
I got
So my shoes
two-
not dirty.
250 cents.
So now the car won't be dirty, guys.
I got one
So we can get home. Alright, so we're heading home now, guys. Alright.
and then I got $20.
So we headed home in Dog Fred. We're heading home, guys. It's dark. People still out fishing. They are fishing and having the best time of their life. There's a lot of campers. A lot of camping. We're gonna have to check.
Okay, well, if it come on first, I've asked him something.
What you say? Hey. When you see them, that's something you make you more hungry. Whatever the people ever make him hungry. Well, we stop and tell them then, so it make you hungry.
They have enough food, can't feed them.
You want us to tell them? Whatever you make, oh, the other ones will pass. Oh, say whatever they make it, make them Jaden hungry. So we have people camping, guys. Oh, a nice camp there. That's a nice camp there. Very nice.
The real campground, them say they have bellows.
Not on this on this base or another base?
Bellows Air Force Base.
Oh, the Air Force Base.
They have a big beach, you camp there, bathroom.
Then a Hickam, the Air Force Base there?
Them say name Bellows. Bellows Trading Area.
Okay.